First glance, Toden products seem like they are proprietary. And we designed these products to be used individually, kind of a la carte, but also as a system with our surface, which is right behind us. We're going to dive into some of the features of this thing because it is very different than a traditional shelving bracket. And we're going to start with the ribbing. So the ribbing makes it super strong, as well as in the back, which allows it to carry way heavier of a load than traditional brackets. Here's a conventional non-brace. You can just bend these things, but a Toden bracket, there's just no way. Furthermore, we haven't really pushed the boundary of typical dimensions because when we take a conventional thing and line it up, its cross-section is relatively slim. We like to use electronics to compare it as well. Here's an AirPod case, and you can see that that's exactly the height of a bracket. But one of the coolest things is strong brackets normally have cross braces, and a Toden bracket doesn't. But our load rating stands at 1,000 pounds each individually. Major differentiator about the Toden bracket is we put our fasteners straight in. The top one actually sits at a 10-degree angle to a toenail to help carry the load. So there's no more angling like you would have to do with a conventional bracket. So we got a nice flat back on our line, 10 degrees. The bracket's also designed to use a washer and a screw from the bottom and allow you to really drive that from the bottom up for any application as well. You can drill a hole anywhere you want. It's all fair game. Fasten it right from the bottom through the holes you just drilled. You might be using this in an application for, a wood slab or marble or granite, and we've created these glue trays inside of the bracket. When fasteners aren't really usable, you just lay it into the glue tray, just like you would mount a granite countertop to a cabinet, and then you can stack your surface right on top. Again, any adhesive will work, and you don't have to worry about strength, burn in, or anything.